I've got this Badland 2,500 pound winch that I got for free, and unfortunately it's something that I would never in a million years trust on a trail out in the middle of nowhere as my only winch that I had on an ATV or something like that. It's just not that quality. So the only use that I can find for it is as a third hand around the house. And I'm going to show you today exactly how I'm going to use it as that third hand. I went ahead and backed the trusty old Troy-Bilt into the garage here. She's pushing 20 years old, got some brand new tires on her. Doing pretty good so far. Anyhow, I'm going to mount that winch right here in the center of the back of the Troy-Bilt mower. And that's going to give me a nice little utility vehicle to have around the yard so that I can create tension on different things with that winch. And I know what you're saying. You're saying there's no way that that metal on the back of the Troy-Bilt there is strong enough to support that winch. And you're right. So I went ahead and cut out a sheet of metal to reinforce that out of this old baking sheet. I'm going to use that. I'll mount that winch right up. Went ahead and bolted it straight to the back of the Troy-Bilt. You can see how I did that there. On the inside there's some massive washers holding that in place, as well as that sheet of reinforced metal. And again, this is going to give me something around the yard to use to draw tension from different angles when I'm working by myself. All the wiring is run through existing holes to the control module and then up to the battery. I left this clearance here that you can see so that I can still hook up different trailers and stuff like that I've got. But I shouldn't have any problem with pivoting or rolling with that because I've got that very well reinforced now. You can see how I ran those wires there. They just run up to the battery underneath the seat. It couldn't be any simpler. The control box is hidden underneath the seat compartment as well, so it stays out of the weather. Not that it really needs to, but it is from Harbor Freight, so the more I keep it out of the weather, the better probably. But that's it. So that's what I'm going to be using my 2,500 pound Harbor Freight Badlands winch for. If you come across one of these small Harbor Freight winches, let me know what you used it for down in the comments below. Consider giving me that thumbs up like, following us on Instagram, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.